Hello students, in this video we will study about the dimensions of business environment. In our last video we have already studied about the concept of business environment, what is business environment and what are the features of business environment. Again I am telling you what is the concept of business environment. Business environments includes all those forces, factors and institutions which lies outside the organizations, and these are not controllable by the business organization, like customers, suppliers, government, political ideology, economic changes, social changes, legal changes, and these changes sometimes affect the business positively and sometimes negatively. A businessman has to prepare strategy to cope up with the changes, because in the market only those organizations will be successfully whosoever adapts the changes, understand the changes and implement the changes in the organization. Otherwise only the company will be out of the market. For example, in 2008 or 9 Nokia used to be the topmost company in the world, but the technology changes took place and successfully that company Nokia didn't understand the changes or adapt the changes, and consequently Nokia was out of the market and Samsung became the topmost company because of the technological changes, and that company understand the changes, the requirement of the customer, and they made the model of the phone according to the requirement of the customer and as per the technological changes. Clear? So there are 5 components of business environment, and you can say the dimensions of business environment: economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment and legal environments. If there are many factors of economic environment, if there is any changes in these factors, so the changes in the factor of economic environments affects the organization or company directly or indirectly. So what are the factors included in economic environment? Interest rate, import policy, export policy, repo rate, rate of repo, reverse repo rate. Clear? So basically inflation rate. So if there is any changes in these factors, so the business will be affected directly or indirectly. If the rate of interest increases, if the rate of loan increases, so the cost of taking loan for the organization will increase, and the overall cost of the organization of the producing goods and services will increase, and consequently the prices of the goods and services will increase. And the import export policy and the custom rate also increases. Suppose if there is a increase in the duty of custom rate on gold, so the prices and the making charges of gold will also increase, and it also affects the demand. Clear? Now the next is social environment. Social factor includes like the taste and preferences of the customers, standard of living, customs and tradition, clear? Population rate. Clear? So for example custom and tradition, if you will observe that the most of the company in India provide schemes or free gift schemes or many offers on the occasion of Diwali, because in India Diwali is the one of the main festival. Clear? And whereas in the western countries, all those offers are provided on the Christmas, And the one more example, McDonald's in India is providing aloo tikki burger, because tikki is the dish of India, and as per the taste they are also changing in the menu and providing in India only. You will not get US in aloo tikki burger, because they are doing the changes as per the requirement of the customer. Clear? Technological environment means change in the technique of producing goods and services. Change in the technique of producing goods and services. Clear? So there is only change in the machinery, change in the technology. If there is a new technology, all those factors come under the technological environment. Political environment means ideology of the government. Clear? Like BJP party is focusing on Make in India. Clear? So political ideology also affects the business environment. Like demonetization was also political ideology. Now Make in India, Startup India scheme also launched by the BJP governments, and these schemes provide initiate or assistance to the Indian company for increasing their business, and they also provide loan and other type of assistance that the industrialization and the business of Indian companies should also increase. And due to the ideology of BJP government, this government is increasing the tax rate or the business difficulties for foreign companies. Recently Harley and Davidson left India, and they gave statement that it's very difficult to do business in India and the tax rate is increasing because BJP government is only supporting Indian company. Legal environment, any court order, commission order, any act. Clear? Like government banned use of plastic, so this is legal environment. So all these factors, you can say these are the dimensions of business environment: economic, social, technological, political and legal. Thank you.